Hi students, in this video I'll be going through the 2015 O-Level Mathematics Paper 1 question 24. Alright, so let's read the question. So a bag contains 10 marbles, n of which are red and the rest are yellow. So a marble is chosen at random and not replaced. Okay, so this is actually a very key word here, okay? So once you take out a marble, you do not put it back inside the bag for subsequent draws, alright? Okay, so over here, let's write down some numbers. So total is 10 marbles. Okay, the number of red will be n, and the number of yellow marbles. Okay, so in total is 10, number of red is n, so number of yellow will be 10 minus n. Right, so in part A, they want the probability that we will get a yellow marble, right, when we do the draw. So it will be the number of favorable outcomes giving yellow, which is the number of yellow marbles, okay? So number of yellow marbles, okay, divided by the total number of marbles, okay, total number of marbles. Right, so the number of yellow marbles is 10 minus n, and the total number of marbles is 10, right? Okay, so this will be the answer for part A, right? So 10 minus n over n. Okay, so a second marble is chosen at random. Find in terms of n the probability that both marbles are yellow. So now they want probability both yellow. Okay, so what are the possible outcomes for both yellow? Actually, there's only one possible outcome, which is the first marble is yellow. Okay, and the second marble is also yellow. Okay, second marble is yellow. Okay, so both marbles must be yellow. Okay, the probability of the first marble being yellow, we have actually already calculated in part A, which is 10 minus n over 10. Okay, so once again, this is an n case. N means it's going to be times, alright? Okay, but what is the probability that the second marble is yellow? Okay, so the first marble we have already chosen out to be yellow, right? So we'll go back to this part. Okay, total 10 marble, n red, 10 minus n is yellow. Okay, now okay, first marble is yellow. Okay, first marble is yellow, right? So that means you have already taken out one yellow already. So what will happen to the new total? Total is now going to become 9, right? Okay, how many red will be left? Okay, you have taken out, the first one is yellow, so you have not taken out any red, right? So the red will still be n. Okay, but the yellow will now not be 10 minus n already. Okay, it's actually going to be 10 minus n minus 1. Okay, because you have already taken out one yellow marble in the first draw, so it's going to be 9 minus n. Okay, so this will actually allow us to calculate the probability of the second marble being yellow when the first marble taken out is yellow. Okay, so it will be the number of yellow marbles remaining, which is 9 minus n over the total number of marbles. Okay, 9. Right, so all we need to do is to combine, to multiply these two fractions. So 10 minus n times 9 minus n over 10 times 9, so you'll get 90. Alright. Okay, so this will be the answer for part B. So 10 minus n times 9 minus n over 90. Alright. Okay, in C part 1, they tell us that the probability that both marbles are yellow is actually 1 over 15. That means what they are telling us is that this probability that we express in terms of n here is actually equal to 1 over 15. And they want us to show this particular quadratic equation. Okay, so all we need to do is just to equate the two things. Okay, so 10 minus n times 9 minus n over 90 is now equals to 1 over 15. Okay, so we just multiply the 90 to the other side. So you'll get 10 minus n times 9 minus n. 90 times 1 over 15 is going to give us 6. Alright. Okay, then we just expand this left side. So we get 90 minus 19n plus n squared equals to 6. Okay, so n squared minus 19n. Okay, bring the 6 over to minus 90 minus 6, you'll get plus 84 equals to 0. Okay, so the answer will be like this, right? Okay, so not too difficult. Okay, so now they want us to solve the equation to find number of yellow marbles. Okay, n will definitely be a whole number. So this means that this particular quadratic equation okay, can definitely be a factorized one, right? Because n, remember, is the total, is the number of red marbles, so it has to be a whole number. Okay, so we can actually factorize using the cross method. So n squared here plus 84 minus 19n. So n times n. Okay, so we're going to come up with a pair, okay, that will give us a negative 19n eventually. So if you go and do some calculation, you should end up with negative 7 times negative 12. So negative 7n minus plus negative 12n will give us negative 19n. Okay, so this will factorize to n minus 7, n minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, so either n minus 7 equals 0 or n minus 12 equals to 0. So n will be 7 or n will be 12, right? Okay, they want us to calculate the number of yellow marbles. So if you recall, the number of yellow marbles is 10 minus n, right? Okay, 10 minus n. So over here now we have two values of n. So it should be quite obvious, right? Which one is not applicable for this case? Number of yellow marbles. Okay, number of yellow marbles is actually 10 minus n. Okay, we can't be taking 12. If not, we'll be taking 10 minus 12. We'll get a negative number of yellow marbles. So in this case, we need to reject this answer. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do is 10 minus n. N is 7. Okay, so n7 is the one that is valid. Okay, which will give us 3 as the answer. So number of yellow marbles is going to be 3. Right, so overall still not too difficult of a question. Okay, but it links probability to quadratic equations. Right.